How you doing? Scotty Bear back with another video, and this video about Ultimate X Poker. Probably the most exciting form of video poker out there, without a doubt, and probably for the most obvious reason, the huge side bet. It's equal to the amount of coins that you're betting. Man, this is a game is when you're on, and when you're off. When you're not catching multipliers, not making big hands with big counts of, credits, it can be a difficult game to sustain it at all. I mean, it's just you're dumping money until you make another score. That's just a shout out to the guy I've been watching, to Big Cat. I hope I got his name right. If not, but I do see you out there making videos too. Thanks for the mention. We like your action too. I also want to point out another thing in response to him. We have only been shut down once from videoing here in Vegas, asked to stop. And actually, I'm not sure, there hasn't been too many people paying attention to us, at all, videoing, not said anything to us, but that's been most of my experience. I think I shot a couple videos in California. Again, kind of the same thing. I think they do want the marketing and so on, but again, haven't had that issue. Back to the video poker streets a little bit here. Also, is there's another thing I'd like to point out between the variations of the regular Ultimate X versus the bonus streak. Now, the one thing about bonus streak that some casinos seem to have tampered with is a couple things. One is the structure and how the bonuses can stack, because you could get a little unlucky by hitting the bonuses at, kind of unlucky periods, and then you don't get credit in the bonus streak, for you get 12 times, they let you stack the 12 times odds, and, say the next 6 hands are at 12 times odds. If you hit a backed up, bonus with that. That feature is kind of nice because, it gives you a span of 5 hands to be able to catch bonuses, which kind of make it extra juicy. But this is my point, really, is it seems like the regular Ultimate X version is probably a little cleaner, and going over long term, I think maybe Ultimate X is probably a little better, because the next hand is, catch a straight, next hand is 8 times. And you catch a flush or whatever, full house, the next hand is 12 times. If I'm wrong, I apologize for all you nitpickers out there, but, on the camera could be a little tough. But, the very next hand, you get to play that bonus. The bonus streak does have some different variations depending on the casino you're playing at. What they allow, and I think they trim off even a little more, because when they first initially introduced that game, it seemed like it was a tad bit a little juicier maybe, but it's hard to really spot these type of situations, because even the bonus, it's really tough to get that going. But the bonus streak is extremely exciting when you're continually hitting the bonuses over and over again, making for, racking up the credits on those machines. I recently had a friend played a bit of a variation of that called Hot Roll. Kind of, again, another one of those machines that are high premium, side bet. And he hit it for, right around 100,000 credits, probably 90 to 100,000. But these 10 play, and even at the nickel variation or the dime variation, could be hit for monster hits. 20 times, 20 times aces, get a load of that. 20 times 200, 40 times, certainly not out of the question. I think that's what makes these games pretty exciting, is, again, you can hit for, you play that game of dimes, which is pretty big. you know, can have some pretty big scores if you catch the right hands. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We do love the Ultimate X, so but we are also having plans to play some slots and different things too. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.